Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you, and you are welcome with my class in GAT. Now in this video, we want to explain about strategies. We have 6 strategies, how to solve the problems in short methods. Short methods for solving problems. I want pay attention to know and understand. We will take now 2 strategies. Every day we will take 2 strategies how to solve the problems in short way. Okay, now the first one is replacing variable by numbers. If you have in the questions only variable, it is better to replace algebraic terms as a, x, y, n by numbers to make it easy to get a solution, right? So you change the numbers to change the variable to numbers to make it easy to get a solution. Okay, now we have here now I want to solve this problem. Example 1. Okay, if x over y equals 5, then x plus 3y over y. How I solve the problems? Then if you have this example, so what I will do here? Now I have here x over y, look, equals 5. Then then x plus 3y equals y. So what I will do? Can I replace the variable to numbers? You can write here, look here, you can write here, yes, you can write here 5x, and because the denominator is 1, you can write it here 1. Look, so you can substitute now. Then x plus 3y over y, what I will do? So you put it here, 5, and you put here also 1, and here 1. Right, so 5 plus 3 times 1, it is 3 divided by 1. So the answer is 8. So the answer is B. Right, good. Do you understand these problems? Is it clear? Is it clear, my student? Right, good, Dima. Okay, now example number 2. Now in example number 2, if x, y greater than 0, then compare between 2 values. I have here 2 values. How I compare? I don't have any numbers here, Fatima. Kadi, I don't have any numbers here. So the left one is x plus y to the power square, and the second one is x squared plus y squared. So what I will do? I put a numbers. I suppose the numbers. How I suppose? Here we have here x, y greater than 0. So you must choose a numbers as the same signal. If you write it x is 2, then y the same signal is 1, like this. So only you substitute x, you put it 2, so you write it 2 plus 1 to the power 1 to the power 2, right? And 1 plus 2, it is 3 to the power 2, equals what? Equals 9, right? Good, this is the first one. The second one, the also value of b, also you substitute here, x equals 2 to the power 2 plus y is 1 to the power 2. Then 2 to the power 2, it is 4 plus 1. Then the answer is what? Is 5. Good. So what is the answer now? So the value of A is greater than the value of B. Is it clear, Zahra Zuhair? Is it clear, Dana? Is it clear, Haya? Right? Only you suppose a number, then you substitute. Okay? That's fine. Good. Okay, now I give you another example here. Yeah, where did you get the numbers from here? Because I have addition, I have here, you must, because you suppose from your mind, but depend this inequality, xy greater than 0, so you must choose a number that's the same signal. If you put x positive, then y positive. If you put x negative, then y negative. You must agree with this inequality. Do you understand, Ali? If you choose now, if you now you put it here minus 1x, you suppose, then y will be also minus any numbers as you like. But when you multiply minus 1 multiply minus 2, it is 2. 2 is greater than 0. So you agree with this, right, Ali Muayyad? If you choose a negative, that's you must write it 2 numbers in negative. Right, good. Number 3, example 3. How many times the surface or area of the square will be double if we double the length of it? So I don't have any numbers here, Kadi. Yes, Khalid, yes, right. I don't have any numbers. How do you solve, Khalid? Yes, you are intelligent. How do you solve these problems? Because I don't have any numbers here. I suppose what I will do, if I have squares like this, because the surface of square, if I have squares like this, the length, I suppose the length is 1. Then what is the area? If L is 1, what is the area? When you put here the length is 1, then the area will be what? The area, yes, 1 times 1 equals what? 2. The surface area of the square is 1 times 1. Oh, sorry, is 1, not 2. Okay, now he said the square will double. How many times when the length of the square, if we double the length? So the second square, the second square, its length is what? It's 2. So what is the area of the second square? You multiply 2 times 2, so it is 4, right? How many times from the first one, from 1 to 4, how many times? It is 4 times from 1 to 4. Also, you can divide it, Ali Muayyad, 4 divided by 1 is 4. So the same answer is C. Do you see? Is it clear? Zainab Rubah, is it clear? Yeah, the last questions now in example 4. That's the first strategy. Okay, if I have x plus 1 over x equals 2, then x squared plus 1 over x2. What I will do? Also, I suppose, Ali Shabraka, I suppose Kadi Dana. So what is how I get x plus or plus here? What is the answer? What is the value of x? Oh, the value is 1, and here 1. Ali Al Shabraka, you can write, right? So the answer is then x is 1, because 1 plus 1 is what? 2, right? So you can write it here 1 square and 1 squared. So 1 square equals 1 and 1 over 1 equals 1. So the answer is 2. So the answer is B. Yes, you are intelligent. Perfect. Good. Do you understand this? Dana, Kadi, Fatima, Haya, Linda, Teeb, Yasmin, Ali Shabraka. You didn't understand? Okay, I repeat. Okay, now, Dima. Okay, how I solve these problems? What is the number of x? When you add, you get 2. Yes, yes, Linda. What I will do? What is the number when you add x plus 1 over x equals 2? Suppose a number. When you write it 2, 2 plus 1 over 2 is not 2. So when I write 1 and here 1, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. The equation is correct now. So x is 1. Then you substitute here, you put it 1 only. 1 squared, and here 1 squared. 1 squared is 1 plus 1 over 1 squared is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is what? 2. The answer is 2, right? Do you understand now the problems, my student? Good. Perfect. Now we will go to another strategy. We will go to another strategies, but we close this video because I don't want to, the video is a long time. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in another video to understand many problems, how to solve it. Thank you. Bye.